What's up, guys? You requesting it, we're doing it right now. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about stocks. What's up? Welcome everybody. We're gonna get right into it. No fluff. This video is gonna go really fast, so make sure you get a pen and paper so you can take notes. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, only my opinion. So due to the amazing feedback from my last video, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this video on how to trade stocks. You guys have questions, so here are the answers. To begin trading stocks, you're gonna need three things: a bank account, a smartphone, or a computer. Once you have either a smartphone or computer, if you have a computer, you can trade on a platform called TD Ameritrade. Got no link for that, just do your own research. If you're using a smartphone, you got some more options. A lot of people really like to use Robinhood for beginners and M1 Trading. Shout out to my guy Ant for the plug on M1 Trading. They allow you to borrow up to 35% of your total equity. Another good app to use is Think or Swim on your smartphone, which goes hand in hand with your TD Ameritrade account. Once you have your platforms on trading, you're gonna have to do some research on specific pairs. For this, you're gonna use TradingView. Now that you have your platforms to trade, now that you know how to do some research on your platform to trade, TradingView gives you a technical analysis view of certain stocks. For extra research, you want to go and do research on the companies. Stocks themselves are just the financial representation of a company. That's what stocks are. There are two forms of trading in stocks. The first is hodling. What is hodling? Hodling is holding for dear life. This is the more traditional way of stock trading, and most individuals will buy a stock. For example, Disney, Netflix, Microsoft. These companies have holdings. Most people will buy a share of these companies, and you'll have one share that's worth a specific amount of money. The way you make money in this style of trading is buying and selling. You buy low, you sell high. You make the profits on the difference of when you got it. Another example, if you buy it at 50, it shoots up to 70, and you sell it, you make $20 off of that specific position. That's the first way, the traditional way of trading stocks. The second way of trading stocks is options trading. Options have higher buy-ins. When you get an option, you get them through contracts. Contracts are 100 shares of a specific option. It's a little higher to play with, but a lot of people rather trade options because of the yield on the return of their equity. What this means is, let's say you have that same stock that you bought for $50. If you bought an options contract at $50, you get 100 shares of that specific option, and it goes to $70. You're not making $20 in profit. You're making a lot more money. When trading options, there are two things you can choose to do on your contract. You can do a call contract. Call meaning that the market, you're predicting it to go up. Or you could do a put contract, meaning that you're expecting the market to go down. Calls up, puts down. Bulls up, bears down. This is just a quick overview on how to get trading into the stock market. That's literally all you have to know. Once you have the basic knowledge, you want to go ahead and do some research. Now, I know some people are thinking, how do you invest? There's two ways of going about this. You can go ahead and trade by yourself, or you can go ahead and find a platform that assists up and coming traders. I'm currently in a community of traders. If you're interested in learning more, the link is down in the bio. There's very low barrier of entry. It does not cost an arm and a leg to get into, and it's definitely worth it. I've literally made more than my investment on my first trade. If you can't make an investment, here's the second way to start trading. You want to go ahead and put 10% of your earnings into an account. You do this every time you make money, whether it be through your job or whether it be through your side hustles. If you take that 10%, for example, and put it into your Robinhood account, every time you get paid every week, the compound on this will be crazy. Not only will it be crazy, but you're gonna have the option of investing this 10% that's gonna be growing weekly into different assets. Assets are just different stocks. I'm just using big words, but follow me here. That's how you trade stocks. That's all you really need to know. Short and sweet, straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Today I'm rocking my brand. I got my Christmas hat on, and we got the new Gamble tee that's about to drop. Please, if you like the footage, go ahead and drop a like and a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace.